Welcome back to Fast Takes. If you have a 1963 to 1987 Chevy C10 and you still have factory brakes on it, go ahead and ditch those and pick up this Wilwood kit that I have in front of me today. Now this is the Wilwood Superlite 5-lug kit for your 1963 to 87 C10, and this is going to include everything that you need besides brake lines to be able to upgrade the front brakes on your Chevy C10. In this kit, you're going to be able to get calipers, rotors, brake pads, and even the front hubs and all of the necessary hardware to be able to install it onto your C10. This kit is designed to be easy to install, and it's compatible with the OEM master cylinder outputs and ABS function. Along with increased brake capacity, you also have the option to choose between either a red or black caliper, and you can also pick to either have drilled in slotted rotors or just slotted.